Alright, I have here a cadet hydraulic 1050, and I needed to remove and replace the drive belt. Well, getting the clutch off was a piece of cake, and there's plenty of videos out there about getting the clutch off, but I could not get the drive pulley off at all. I tried all the different tricks that I found, but I was not going to resort to one trick, which is to bend these belt keepers that are in the frame. So, after much frustration and agonizing and trying to figure it out, I did something simple. I took the 4 engine retaining bolts out. That allowed me to slide the engine side to side to get the belt there and slide it back towards the rear to get the belt over here. Now my belt is on. I just have to route it around the appropriate pulleys and pull the engine back, line up the mounting holes, bolt it on, and it'll be done. So I hope this helps you save some time and frustration and don't have to deal with taking this thing off, which is stuck on like you wouldn't believe. Oh, disconnect the battery before you do this, just in case anything touches anything. You don't want anything to ground out and have some fireworks or some other fun. Alright, so again, you just slide the engine around. Easy peasy. So, I hope this saves you hours of frustration. Enjoy. Oh, I jacked up the front of it so I could work on it. If you have a stand, you could use that as well, but make sure you block the tires and have something around just in case it takes a tumble. I've got a milk crate here which probably wouldn't survive, but it would slow it down enough for me to get out of there, I hope. Alright, take care. Bye.